Of course. There's nothing saying that I can't watch both. Man. So what? What do you mean slow? Huh? No, why? She chipmunking it now? Did she eat when she was at your mom's house? Hey, yo, what's up, Kid Trader? Shit. Mm. Yeah, honestly, I'm surprised. I didn't know people still played that game. It seemed like Fortnite kind of fell out of the mainstream spotlight. Are you still playing Battlefield 6? And if so, how are you looking at it? Say NQ spreads are horrible. I mean, shit. Wow, they're 5 points apart from each other. It's about a 5 point, 3 point spread. Yeah, the NQ is still trading in this range right here. I mean, it's crazy to think that people still think that when it comes to the conversation between Nasdaq and gold, the indices straight up chopped in this small little range, and our baby gold made this breakout. I mean, this breakout was obvious with all this consolidation. It was kind of obvious. I just hate the fact that I wasn't able to capitalize and get in on this trade at open. You know, actually no, I haven't looked at silver. I think when me and my trading partner talk about silver and gold, I feel like gold is, I mean, it trades like the ES, but it moves like the Nasdaq, which I enjoy. I feel like silver moves more like the ES. You kind of have to pick your spots. I mean, you have to pick your spots on gold too, but I feel like it moves like the ES, like it's slow. Oh, yeah, shit. Silver will. I thought gold was the devil, but apparently silver's the devil. Apparently, silver will kill your account like it's nothing. It's just another day trading silver if you blow your account off of a random move. It's saying that, okay, saying that the chat disconnected for whatever reason. Relax. Dude, I really don't get why. Oh, well, I guess. I swear, it's always something new with OBS, man. Versus saying this is like the first time I've ever seen it say that the chat got disconnected. So if you sent something in the chat recently, I may well, I probably haven't seen it because it disconnected for whatever reason. But this move on gold was definitely obvious. I actually found myself not necessarily in an argument, but I was in the metals chat. Majority of the traders were short, And, I asked the question, I said, why is everybody looking for shorts when the market is literally making higher lows, which means that the bears were unable to take out any low. I mean, as they tried, look how many times the bears tried to take it lower. They tried at least 3 or 4 times and they failed each time. And I was like, dude, why is everybody looking for shorts when we have bullish structure and the whole chat is short, which is also a bullish indicator? Tell me why somebody was like, you're in the wrong chat. This is the gold's chat. This ain't the Nasdaq or the indices chat. And I was like, okay. Well, I just said my famous line is your account. Keep shorting. And you know what's crazy? When people talk shit and they don't respond because, oh my God, dude. All right. Hold on, guys. I don't know what the heck is going on with this. Anyway, OBS. But anyway, I was like, it's your account. Keep shorting. And it's funny. The people that was saying that this was a short, it's funny how they disappear from the chat. It's funny how they disappear from the chat when not only were they wrong, but they attacked reason and logic. I mean, who really knows what goes sometimes? Hey, what's up? Is it Obo Lobby? Omo Lobby? Omo Luby? Omo Lobby? Omo. Hey, what's up? And so I already have an area that I'm looking to enter with gold. I'm actually looking for a pullback to about 192, but we can also see a pullback to around like 205, 200. So I think we'll probably see a move back like the 205 potentially. But I think I think it finds support at 199 if we see the move down. But we had a breakout. So usually what happens with breakouts on gold, Omo Luhabi. Okay, Omo Luhabi. Okay, what's up, Omo Luhabi? Usually what happens when we break out with gold, the market starts to trend because everybody is getting stopped out of this move and new sellers are trying to get in, trying to short this move. And honestly, if you've been in this market long enough, I can understand if you're a newer trader. But if you've been in this market long enough, you should at least know better than to short a trending market. You should know better than to short a bullish trend and try to long a bearish trend. I mean, you should know better by now. This is not some random trend. Price broke out. Why the hell are you trying to short that? KDP says that his TradeAvate and TradingView charts are frozen right now. Let me look. So my TradingView. Oh wow. Okay. So my TradingView charts are frozen too. Huh. That's interesting. I wonder if that's a correlation. So gold is frozen as well. I just looked at a gold chart, and price isn't moving. Hold on. Hold on. Actually, everything is frozen. Yo, hold up. My charts are frozen. Thankful Bookmap is frozen. The price. Ninja Trader 8 is frozen. Everything is frozen right now. What the hell's going on? Oh my God, girl. Relax. Relax. Everything is frozen. Are you in a trade right now? Damn, the entire market is frozen right now. The entire market is broken. That is crazy. So I'm looking at Thankful Bookmap. CL's not moving. Gold's not moving. TradeAvate, TradingView's not moving. Nothing is moving right now. That is crazy. The markets are broken right now. And it looks like, okay, so it wasn't just my chat that was disconnecting. Looks like Thankful Bookmap, their chat was disconnecting. Dang. Are we experiencing a cyber attack right now? Well, okay. So the money is frozen right now. I guess that's it. I guess that's the stream, guys. The market is done. It's closed right now. It's closed for business. Dude, honestly, hold on, guys. Give me a second. Come on. Yeah, like everything is frozen right now. Every single thing. Like the chat disconnected a couple of times. I looked at Think with Bookmaps channel. Their chat disconnected. The markets are all frozen. All the charts are frozen right now. Uh, Hold on. I know Smith was in a trade. Man, that's crazy. Shit. Hey, what if that is the case? What if someone what if one of these computers glitched and was like, okay, yeah, we're gonna close the market halfway through the damn night? Because this thing is literally not moving. So we've had what well, I mean, obviously we can't, nothing official has come out, but it feels like we've had multiple cyber attacks focusing on the futures market. What did the futures market do to these cyber hackers, these adversaries? What does the futures market ever do to them? First, Top Step X goes down, AWS goes down. I mean, obviously that was a global thing, not just for trading, but if y'all guys only knew, and for those that know, that AWS, there's a reason why they don't care, that they never ask you for your data, is because they have all their infrastructure is everywhere. All their infrastructure is in government and civilian. AWS is almost everywhere. They basically is the foundation of majority of startups, the majority of existing companies, aside from obviously, well, maybe actually we don't really know. Maybe Facebook and Microsoft and all those guys, maybe they do have an AWS account as well. But I doubt Microsoft, because they have I think it's called Azure. Forgot what they called theirs. Is very similar to AWS, but obviously AWS is on top. So a cyber attack against AWS literally shuts down majority of businesses, because a majority of businesses relies on the uptime for AWS. Top Step X keeps going down. Like there's always seems like there's always an issue. I feel like Top Step X did not have these issues until this year, recently. I mean, that would be something to assume. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, Smith is in a hold on. Smith is talking about his pumping back up. What are you talking about? It Lone Wolf. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what the heck is going on. I'm pretty sure we'll see something. Let's actually look in the Discord. Let's look, because I'm pretty sure people are talking about it in Top Step. It's like the biggest Discord community for trading right now. Everybody's blaming Top Step. I don't think it was Top Step. All right, so Alfred just dropped it in the chat. He said, so a recent Chicago Mercantile Exchange trading halt on November 27 was triggered by technical issues. Well, what did I say, dude? Some computer fucked up and closed down the damn market. Previous holds have been caused by technical problems during planning software updates. High volatility leading to circuit breakers or issues with specific markets causing a ripple effect, while some major markets have been halted in the past. Technical issues, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is for futures. That's a great thing about futures and a bad thing about futures. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange is a central exchange, so all orders goes through this exchange. And I think we talked about this probably like 2 streams ago. About this is like one of the benefits of futures is because all the orders are on one book. But it's also a single point of failure, because if this centralized exchange goes down, that means the entire futures market also ceases to trade, because obviously orders aren't going to be filled. So what's up? Yeah, I never seen that big of a spread on the Nasdaq before. That was actually pretty weird. But appreciate Alfred for finding that information. Yeah, it just sucks. Yeah. I mean, Trump was talking tonight. I think that's probably why we got that push in gold, because he probably said something. He probably said something about something, and which encouraged that push higher. So Smith is Smith might as well just jump in the chat. Hold on, so is price? Oh, he's looking at okay. He's looking at the dollar USD. Okay, so he's looking at Forex right now. I mean, yeah, Forex should be moving. Crypto should be moving. The foreign exchange should be moving. It really depends. If you were in a trade and it wasn't closed out, I'm going to make the assumption that you're still filled. Honestly, I would assume that I'm still filled. Because, I mean, if you think about it, if you were filled in a position and I guess you cut off your trading platform, that doesn't exit out the position. So I would assume that I'm still filled, but I would hope that whatever is going on, that my order was canceled. Did you get a ordered canceled confirmation? It should be like in your orders. So if you're trading Top Step, or if you're trading a Trade of 8 or NinjaTrader 8, if you look in your orders, if it was closed, it should be there. Shit, you're stuck in a gold trade. Are you long or short right now? Now, I think the market was trying to pull back on gold, especially if we had if they broke past 216. Spot price on gold is still moving actually. Let's look at that. Spot price is actually still moving. So, where is it at? Yeah, like that's not gonna. All right, so spot price is still moving, and price pumped. So I mean, if you were in long, then I think you should be good. But so what's happening? Alfred. So Alfred just sent this right here. So apparently, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange has halted today. Apparently, there has it's been triggered for some technical issues. So I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see how long this takes. I mean, shit. I'm trying not to lock out my account for tomorrow, but man. Yeah, Mr. Hayward. And let me see if I got an email myself. Let me see if I got one. I mean, this is not a good look. It's not a good look. What the fuck? CME didn't send me no damn email. Or let me check my other email. Oh, boo. Relax. Relax. All right, so let me see. Yeah, Alfred, I didn't get no email. Someone. Yeah, that's crazy because yeah, they didn't send me one. So it's saying that due to technical issues, the CME global futures and option markets have halted. Interesting. If you have any questions, contact the global command center. Hey, let's contact them right now, damn it. Let's contact them right now. You getting in the way of the money right now. You getting in the way of the money right now. You need to fix this. You said on the NQ? Yeah. So you said when NQ hit 350 on the drop, it went weird. 1 minute candle activity after it was not normal. Let's look at that. Evening peak load what? Seems like everything is messing up. Damn, okay. You know, the crazy thing is I just renewed my Trading View subscription today. So I wonder. I wonder if they're going to have the market close tomorrow, and then they're going to probably fix the. Are you going to do it tomorrow? Yeah, I just figured I'd just get it out the way now. Uh Damn. You know, dude, this has to be some cyber attack of some kind. This has to be. Yo, hey, if hey, let yo, if this market if this market if it glitches and opens up on Saturday, oh yeah, we trading. Shit. The market was open. We putting orders on the chart. We gonna make money on Saturdays. On a Saturday. Yo, that would be absolutely crazy. 16,000. That would be about what, 10,000, $9,000 points, $9,000 point drop. That would be crazy. Yeah, they hold on. Alphabet is dropping all the data. Yeah, so the CME, here's they halted options and futures. It's all halted right now, so I mean, who wouldn't? Shit, I might actually put money in a personal account and then buy it and hold because I know once they fix it. But then they might do what they did with the what is it called? Berkshire Hathaway, where there was like a glitch in the price and everybody was buying it cheaper than what it was supposed to be. All right, girl. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay. Um, yeah, and then that's exactly what they did. They fixed it. So, shit, I don't know. I'm gonna try. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt to try. I'm gonna try. If this shit opens up at 16,000, dude, I'm gonna try to put money in that account so damn fast. But I'm pretty sure if the money's not in the account right then and there, then that thing is gonna probably wick up. Just imagine being able to be a part of a move like that, a 10,000 point move back up to the upside. Kind of like what happened. Well, actually, I don't know because I don't know if y'all guys remember, but there was a glitch with Walmart where it was like a super big ass wick, and then it wicked down and it popped right back up, stopping so many people out, and then Walmart actually went higher. It was a lot of people said that they felt scammed and cheated because I guess officially they said it was a glitch. But man, I don't know. I don't believe in coincidences or mistakes when it comes to money. I don't believe in that. Oh yeah, definitely. Shit, hopefully. Shit, hopefully. Cause I've been sitting here plotting on gold all damn night. I've been looking to get into a position around 190. And I was hoping for a pullback. Mm. Hold on, is spot price gold frozen? Hold on, is the entire market frozen now? Let's look at Bitcoin. Huh. Because either TradingView's not working or hold on. Okay, now it's moving. Okay, I was like, dude, what the heck's going on? Bitcoin. Yeah, CME halted trading. Yeah, for right now, it's halted. I'm trying not to lock my account. I feel like the world is testing me right now because I feel like I feel like I don't want to say it. I feel like I'm breaking a rule by trading on Fridays, but because I previously set a rule and it's been something that I've followed for so long that I'm trying to break out of it now, and it feels uncomfortable. Everything in me is telling me to lock my funded accounts and not trade it tomorrow, and just come back on Monday. But as soon as I lock that damn account, I'm pretty sure tomorrow when I wake up, a super setup is going to be there. And because I locked the account, I'm not going to be able to take it. So I'm going to wait until tomorrow. We'll see what happens overnight. If the market is still frozen, or if everything is still closed, hopefully that's not going to be the case. Hopefully they get whatever they need to get done overnight, so we can have a stream tomorrow where we're actually looking for opportunities to make more money. But Dixie. Yeah, Joker trades. I think that's exactly what happens. You know what? Let's actually look to see what Trump said today. Let's see. Hey, probably give her some more food. Hmm. So that lasted for 4 hours. Okay. You know, honestly, I think these chatbot tools, these AI assistants, I feel like during their earlier iterations, they were much smarter. Or I guess I shouldn't say much smarter, but they were less restricted. I feel like I feel like you've gotten better answers in the past. Now it just seems like you kind of get scripted, bare metal answers to your questions. You're not really getting real answers to your questions anymore with these AI chatbots. I feel like they're all stupid now. But this is the Dixie. This is the daily chart. Looks like the market has just been rotating back and forth. Mm. So you said the 1 minute candle, and what time this thing happened? So what time specifically are you talking about? Are you talking about the around the time? Are you talking about this right here? This price action right here? Damn, so Epic Game servers was down. You said today nuke Venezuela? Shit. Huh. I hope not. I hope not. We've already seen the destructive power of a nuclear weapon, hopefully. And that type of weapon has lasting effects. So we would hope that none of these world leaders would actually consider using such a weapon, because everybody loses. Everybody loses. And you're talking about the size of the 1 minute candles, correct? Yeah. See, the candles are 4 times the length of the previous activity. Yeah. Yeah, these can well these this cluster of candles are definitely bigger than at least these. You got some, but yeah, not in a big cluster like that. Yeah. Yeah. And you said that's not normal? Yeah, I'm gonna take your word on it. Yeah, this is my first time actually looking at the Dixie, even though I trade gold. As crazy as that sounds. I do not look at Dixie while I trade gold. I just look at the price action. I'm gonna take your word on it. Since seller, the CME has halted trading. So all the entire futures market right now is closed for business. It is closed for business right now. They sent out a email. Apparently, our boy Alfred is on their list because I didn't get one, and I know I got me a damn account. But yeah, this says due to technical issues, the CME the Globex futures and option markets have been halted. So the market is on hold right now. You said TradeAvate. So TradeAvate is working for you right now, Cave Trader? Is the market moving? Because shit, if the charts are working at Cave Trader's house, and shit, we all need to go over there so we can all trade. We could take turns. We could take turns putting on a trade at Cave Trader's house. Shit. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Well, shit. I mean, we can shoot the shit, nigga. Yeah, man, that sucks. Yeah, that sucks. Shit, you know what? I might actually trade that. That crypto prop firm. I may actually consider it. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. I need to see the reviews first. I need to see that people are actually getting paid out. And shit, if everything is a bit, but I don't know, man. I don't like giving up my information like that, especially to a crypto company. Especially if I'm going to assume that it operates outside of the United States. We all know that crypto is not regulated at all. So the prop firm itself doesn't have to really adhere to, I mean, there's no regulations. And usually what happens in situations like that, when there's no oversight, that's when you start to see a lot of bad behavior. The scams, the cheating traders, the messing with the fields, and all that other stuff because there's no oversight. And if it's brought to anybody's attention, it's not like the matter is going to get resolved.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, what's up, man?
We still stuck in trader limbo right now.
Yeah. Yeah, CME got halted. So you're still in that trade, aren't you? And you're short.
I am, unfortunately.
What do you mean, unfortunately? I thought gold was going down, at least spot price is, right?
Spot price is kind of hovering. I'm paying close attention to spot price right now. It's not trying to go down like willingly. Bulls are, I mean, Trump said something about no income tax because he's making so much money from tariffs and all this stuff. I mean, that's bullish off of face value right there. More money in people's pockets, more money to put in the market and to buy gold. So it's like they need to hurry up and come back online so I could close the short.
Dude, hopefully, man. I would hate to see it, man. I would hate to fucking see it. Hopefully, you're gonna be all right, man. You're not going to sleep tonight, are you?
Probably not. Not until this one's come back online.
Yeah. The most dangerous thing that can happen. Well, we're not going to talk about that. We don't want to, want that to be spoken into existence.
Up. No, we gotta be prepared for the worst. This must just gap up.
Super gap up, like over 4,300 type shit. No income tax, dude. Let's talk about it, man. If they actually do away with the income tax, well, we got to talk about this before we talk about that. I mean, everybody that grew up in a good old hood in poverty, we all know that the tax refund checks be saving people. People be betraying their own mama for that refund check. That's how crucial that shit is. And if they take that away, what is that going to do for the people that depend? Like people literally wait for that damn income check every fucking year, dude. Every year. Shit. I was one of them back during them broke days. I mean, shit. It was just free money. Well, in ignorance, it's free money. But, as you kind of, if you choose to understand finance, if you're actually paying taxes, that means that you actually didn't pay, that you didn't overpay, because a tax refund, what it says is that you overpaid in taxes and the government is refunding all those taxes back to you. So if this is actually something that's going to happen and actually go through, and we don't have an income tax anymore, that means we'll have more money on our check, which is great. Great. That'll be great.
More
But
take home.
you said what?
Yep. More take home money.
Yeah. No, that'd be great. You know, and then rich people can get richer.
Yeah, this thing is trying to it's trying to go back up. No, CME, you screwed me. I'm about to sue the CME.
And there's a number you can call if you want it. It's like, Debbie, give me the number. I want to talk to somebody's manager. The number you have dialed has been currently disconnected.
I know. I got the 1-800 number. It's like, yo. He's like, you didn't put a stop in place? That's not the point. That's not the point. I was in profit.
It's not funny, but that shit is funny. Hold on, you really didn't put a stop in?
I got to stop, but I took it off because they let me close everything. I guess before I tried to close out of my position. Mm-hmm. So they let me close the orders sitting on the book, but they didn't let me close the position, which is stupid. Completely stupid. Oh man, this is so lame.
Well, what stop? What the hell is that? Are you speaking French to me? Are you flirting with me? What is a stop? What the hell is that? What the hell is that? It's a device that that takes you out of the trade and stops your profit. A stop profit.
Yeah, I just gotta watch spot price closely and see. It's not looking too hot though. They need to hurry up and put stuff back online because this is crazy.
Yeah, Bowser Trades. Yes, we got that thing to super hit last night. Apparently, I took profits too early. My target was at so my first target in my first account was at around 88. Yeah, like 88, 89. And then my second target was at like 93 or something like that in my other account. So yeah, both targets got hit last night. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. We literally was in at the bottom. This is where we was at. This is where I took profits at on my first trade, and then right here on my second trade, and price ran all the way up to 200. So I mean, or 199, I think. You know, honestly, so after the stream, I went to bed. I was like, dude, that shit gonna hit. So I went to bed. I didn't even monitor it all last night. I think it finally hit my target around like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock at night. Yeah, so around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. And I was telling Smith, I was like, dude, this shit actually came all the way back down to my break even. Good thing I didn't put my stop in profit, because how frustrating would have been that if I was trying to be responsible, put my stop underneath this low just for price to stop me out. I get a measly, 2 or 3 points. And then I wake up tomorrow and I see that the market jumps up from my entry all the way to 199, and price literally tapped my break even. Like, it was, gold is the devil, and no one can convince me otherwise that she's not. She's Satan herself. She's Satan. because there was no reason for that. She was just like, "Oh shit, he's not up right now." Yeah, I was asleep. Our boy Smith.
Man, I stayed up till 5 a.m. and then went to bed. Settled. I was like, you know what? I'm getting it back. As soon as this market open back up at 5, I'll be back. I'll be there. I'm actually mad because I wasn't there right at 5. I got in. I went long at 5:15. So I was 15 minutes late. But
Yeah.
you know what? I'm long in this. You can't tell me nothing. I wasn't. I was on my phone. I wasn't even at my desk. I was like, nah, I'm long in this. They played around yesterday. I'm like, yeah, we taking this long. We getting my get back, and I got it back, baby. What did I want? I wanted 218. She stopped a tick away from 218. I was like, all right, bet. We pushing it higher. Now I want 226. Said you want to play? Got my 226 eventually.
Yeah, Gold was playing. I mean, honestly, I was sitting at my desk at 5 o'clock. The crazy thing is, I just watched it, and I argued with people in the metals chat instead of actually taking the position myself.
You should have been. Yeah, you should have been letting them build up the liquidity. Like, yeah, go short this scam.
I support you in your short.
Yeah, that sounds pretty valid. Meanwhile, you on the opposite side going long.
It's like, hey, can you explain your short thesis to me? And after they explain it, it's like, you know what? I agree with that. And then, as the market is going higher and everybody's complaining, yo, what the hell? Why is this going short? You have to post a screenshot. I want to thank everybody in this chat for the liquidity.
That would be so funny. You definitely, man. Dang, that was a missed opportunity. Should have did that.
I want to thank everybody in this chat for liquidity.
This
position wouldn't have been possible without your support.
And the funny thing is, it's so true. It won't be possible without them shorting and running their stops.
Mm-hmm. This is definitely a short squeeze. When Gold is doing this, she's squeezing out stubborn bears. And dude, if it wasn't for the stubbornness of bears, we wouldn't have short squeezes. That's what's crazy. If bears wasn't so stubborn, the market wouldn't squeeze the way it does. Yep. Shit, Joshua, what's the first?
It's a cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
You're full. You want some more mac and cheese?
Oh yeah, I forgot today was Thanksgiving. Forgot.
Yeah, she talking about some cheeseburgers with your stomach poking out. You're overly full.
I want cheeseburger.
All right, I'll get you one tomorrow.
No.
I want one now.
All right.
You heard her, Smith. She wants her cheeseburger. She wants it now.
Okay, gold spot price is dropping. I feel better.
I don't want to do that today.
Give some tomorrow.
No.
Go watch your show.
I want my cheeseburger and I want it now, damn it. Damn. Yo, that is probably the most scariest thing in the world. When you're in a position and Trump tweets and you're on the wrong side of it. The reaction is just too fast and it's hard to react to. Kind of like that Bitcoin thing. What happened with Bitcoin? Whatever the hell he said, and Bitcoin just fell from grace. But at the same time, I mean, we talked about that move though. We talked about it. So when that move happened, I mean, I understand that everybody was saying that there was this mystery Bitcoin shorter that came into the market minutes before the Trump tweet. But I mean, I'm not going to sit here and say that that wasn't planned or nothing. But I really don't remember. What day was that? I mean, the market was kind of already going short. I mean, it did pull back into resistance. I think it was probably like one of these days. It was one of these days. I mean, it was kind of obvious that Bitcoin was going to short. I mean, regardless of whatever Trump said, whatever he was going to say or not, it was going to short. I think it was this day? October 10th, because that's like the biggest red candle. Yo, what's up, slapping in? No. Says yo shit, congratulations, man, because shit. Not too many people can say that. Man, shit, just imagine being on the buy side when Trump says buy now and the Nasdaq shoots up 1,800 points in one direction. Dude. So slapping in, unfortunately, the CME halted the markets tonight. Hopefully they fix whatever they fix by tomorrow morning so we can actually get back in and make this money, hopefully. But for right now, the market is currently closed. At least CME futures are. He said, you blew so many accounts. Yeah, dude. I don't understand. Okay, I mean, I guess we already kind of figured it out, but it's crazy that these sim accounts, quote unquote sim accounts, where it's supposed to be a simulated environment of real market conditions, how it has slippage and the market can tap your order and it doesn't fill it. I guess they're really trying to simulate. You said what?
My bad. I'm about to call that number. For real. I'm about to call the CME and complain.
Dude, do it. It says
I am.
Get your Karen on right now.
Spot price dropping. I'm like, I want to get out with profit. What's wrong with y'all?
Ooh. Hmm. Yeah, dude. Oh my god, dude. Oh damn, that's a daily candle, bro.
You have reached the CME Group Global Command Center. Press 1 for futures and options support. Press 2 for broker US support. Press 3 for broker support. Press 4.
He says, welcome to the CME Global Globex support. We're sorry. We've currently changed our numbers because we're being overwhelmed by calls.
Press 1 for Globex territory policy. Press 2 for order status, rejection, or cancellation. Press 3 for technical support, including connectivity, data mine, and STC assistance. Press 4 for block trade and OTC inquiries. Press 5 for CME direct support. Press 6 for all product and settlement inquiries.
I didn't hear all the options.
Please make a selection. Press 1 to invoke on the Globex error trade policy. Press 2 for order status, rejection, or cancellation. All representatives are busy. Please hold.
I knew we all knew he's gonna get that one. And we all knew he was gonna get that.
Yeah.
All representatives are busy. Please hold.
That y'all are busy.
Anytime.
I'm waiting to.
Looks like you ain't the only one that's looking at the
People.
spot price.
Why you say that?
Because I'm in the metals chat and it was like XAU or spot price is dumping in trading view right now. So I'm looking at the spot price too.
Yeah, that's how.
Representatives are busy.
That's
Please
the
hold.
only way to keep up with this to know if you good or not.
Mm.
All representatives are busy. What you gonna say?
All representatives are busy. Please hold.
Yeah, you can talk to them. Tell them to bring the markets back up.
In the market. Back up.
All representatives are busy. Please hold.
Oh, are you still on hold?
Yeah, I'm still on hold.
All representatives are busy. Please hold.
What's up with that chat?
Dude, this chat is on
Oh.
crack, dude.
It's ringing.
Hello? I want you to say hi to me.
Oh,
Yes.
no, they didn't. They hung up on me. No way. They disconnected the call. Are
This
you
dude is like,
kidding
oh
me?
shit, he actually got through. It's like we have a way to deal with this. Click. What's up, Brandy? What's up, OC dog trainer? Yeah. Yeah.
How about you
I think the
talk?
market's closed around like what? Well, depending on what time zone you're in. If you're in California, I think that's probably close, but I think they closed the market around like 8, 9 o'clock central. Or at least that's actually let's see when we got that so around, like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock Eastern, 8 o'clock Central time. Yeah. Oh, was it? Was it 6:44? I could have sworn the market was moving at 6:44. Like I said, it really depends on probably what time zone you're in.
Yeah, it halted for me at like 8:40. Yeah, 8:44.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's wild. They just disconnected the call like that. Not even a hello or nothing.
Shit. I mean, it is like 9, 10 o'clock at night. I guess who would answer the phone?
I mean, it's the CME, the Global Command Center. Somebody better answer the dang phone. Like, what?
Honestly,
Bro,
I mean, I don't know. I mean, if someone would have answered the phone, I would have like, hold on, you better make sure there ain't no scam, ain't no freaking scam call center. So if someone actually was like, dude, hold up, what y'all doing up here at 9:50 or this late at night? What y'all doing? Is this CME for real? But yeah, I mean, all jokes aside, yeah, our boy Smith is in his personal account. So I know how that feels. Well, I don't know how it feels. Well, actually, I do. I was in the same situation. I had to hope that price didn't cap up on me.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, only one of my targets got hit before it shut down. And it wasn't even like a real target. It was just something to kind of, just in case it like flash dump, just to kind of reduce risk.
I'm pretty sure the CME is gonna. I'm pretty sure. Well, I mean, well, I don't know. How so if they were to do something like that, how would they do it? If they were to they just reset everybody's accounts. If you got stuck in a trade, do they just reset everybody's account? Do they cancel everybody's orders? I mean, I wonder how they will handle a situation like this.
They need to make it right.
Says shit if it opens lower, 10K. Shit. I mean, hopefully. I mean, everybody that's short right now, hopefully this shit don't gap up on y'all. Hopefully. Hopefully. It just seems like since everything is now monopolized by AWS and Microsoft, it just seems like a lot of technical issues are happening. It seems like now that even these big companies have reduced their workforce and you don't have as much people maintaining the system the way that they have been, it seems like you're just getting a lot of these little stupid little issues, like these annoyances where services, like they have service outages and stuff like that. I still think this may potentially be a cyber attack, but it could also be due to, like I said, them not having as many people employed as they previously did. Now, a lot of these big tech companies I guess they were overemployed and people were just getting paid to breathe and show up. But stuff worked. But now they're trying to cut the fat, and now we're seeing all these problems now. They're trying to replace as many people as possible with AI, have things just automated to where they don't have to have a certain number of people doing specific tasks because the AI bots can just do it better. Okay. Yeah, I remember when AI first came out, man. Oh shit, I actually had to log into that account and be active in it before, because they sent me an email saying that they was going to shut down my account and delete all my stuff. I'll probably do that over the weekend. Well, I mean, if the CME is closed, then the market shouldn't move, right? I mean, even if there's orders being put in, they shouldn't be getting filled, right?
Yeah, when I try to do anything, it just says order rejected.
So I don't think the market gaps up. I think when it does open, I think you probably have a limited amount of time. So I'm able to put let me see if I can try to buy at market. How the hell did I? Oh, okay. I was like, dude, that has to be like commissions or something like that. I'm in a trade. I'm in a trade. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Yeah. Short gold. Short, short, short. You're in long on gold right now? But yeah, that was definitely a crazy move on gold, though. Crazy move. I mean, it was to be expected. I mean, that move on gold is to be expected. They consolidated in this area. They took out that high going into they took out that high going into the open or coming into the open, and price never looked back. It took out the liquidity above this high, that high, and that high. And now, price, this is a breakout trend. So, yeah, it is Thanksgiving, and happy Thanksgiving to everybody that celebrated it today. Hopefully you got to eat your favorite food today. Hopefully. I just made me some French toast, and I was cool with that. And some steak, French toast. I think that's it. That's all I made for myself, and some peace and quiet. Well, all right. Looks like TradingView altogether is kind of, because at least it's lagging. This is lagging. Spot price for gold is lagging. It's not really moving. The Dixie isn't moving either. Bitcoin. So if the market comes back up tomorrow, will anybody be trading? Would anybody trust to take a trade tomorrow? Or is the need for a trade, the need is stronger than the fear of potentially losing money due to an outage that is out of sight of your control? Because me personally, I'm debating if I should just trade my funded account tomorrow, or if I should just trade one of my evals and just come back next week. If there is a next week. You say you'll be waiting? Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing too. So we have another early close. I think tomorrow it closes at 1:30 Central Time. Let's actually look at that, because I mean they sent like 10 million emails about that. No, usually I'm about to go to bed in like in the next 5 minutes. Usually I stream for like 8:30 to about 10. And come back tomorrow morning. But yeah, I understand it is frustrating though. Definitely. So oh wow, that's the wrong one. So it's saying that well, let's see if it's on the CME website one time. Let's see. Because apparently the market is supposed to close at 1 p.m. in Eastern, 12 p.m. Central Time tomorrow. They don't have a timeline. So tomorrow the metals close at around 1:45 Central. Indices, the equities close at 12:15 Central. But if you're trading props, obviously you just have to follow whatever the schedule that they have. Yeah, no. In the butt right now. All right. You know what? I always say that is up to you as the discretion, or is up to your discretion as a trader. But the responsible thing, and this is the responsible thing, would be to come back next week. We don't have a full day tomorrow. Big money is probably still getting drunk. On their yachts. The people that move this market is not going to be in front of their desk tomorrow. But it doesn't mean that the market is not going to move. It just means that we're just not going to have a lot of opportunities to make money. Now. So that's why it's better to wait until next week. If you're going to trade, then trade an eval or something. But I also understand the allure of being able to trade when you see your setup. I think the worst feeling in the world is seeing your setup, convincing yourself to take the trade in an eval or something like that. It works. It super works. And then the next thought that comes into your mind is like, damn, I should have took that in my funded account. And then the next setup that you force yourself to see, it turns into a losing trade and you don't have enough time to actually try to get your money back. So with those in mind, and it's better to wait until next week, but it's understandable if you still choose to trade tomorrow. Have a good night, Joker Trades. Yeah, that was kind of all right. Okay. Well, guys, I guess that's going to be it for me tonight. The market's not really moving. Hopefully we can. Hopefully it's back on tomorrow. Hopefully it's back on. If the market is moving tomorrow, then the market's moving tomorrow, we'll definitely start the stream. If not, I guess we'll just come back Sunday open. So, all right, that's it for me. I appreciate everybody that joined me tonight. We'll definitely come back, but hopefully tomorrow, and hopefully we can look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good night.